siya ba? Yan. Okay, mabuhay. Mabuhay? Good. Mabuhay. Hello po, I am Michael Lorenzo G. Dagoy from BSAE 3-1. So today, papakita ko kung paano mag-derive ng Rayleigh's equation from Euler's equation. So, as I've said, I am Michael Lorenzo G. Dagoy. My group mates are Mr. Camposano and Mr. Ben Tolosa. So we will derive starting from Euler's equation. Ayan. So paano nga ba na tayo na kumukuha ng Euler's equation? No? So para kumuha ng Euler's equation, ang principle behind that is that in a one cubicle of air, mayroong pressure dito, so mayroon ring pressure plus dP over dx times dx, and ito naman is equals to dy, ito is equals to dz, ito is equals to dx, and of course second law of Newton, force is equals to pressure times area. So P1 natin is equals to P times dz dy, and pressure at na second pressure is equals to P plus dP over dx dz dy. So force is equals to P, since papunta siya sa right, maging positive siya. dz dy minus, since papunta siya sa left, P plus dP over dx dy dz. Then para ma-derive natin yung Euler's, hanapin natin yung equivalent ng force. Force is equals to mass times acceleration, and force is equals to yung mass. Density is equals to mass over volume. So mass is equals to rho times V. Mass is equals to rho. Yung V natin based sa ating figure, that would be dx dy dz. And then for the acceleration is equals to change in velocity over change in time. So para rin makakancel tayo mamaya, times natin yan 2 dx over dx, so that's just 1. So rearrange natin, ano, dv over dx times dx over dt. Change in distance or change in length over time is just velocity. So vdv over dx yung ating acceleration. So input natin dito yung force, yung ito, yung ito. So magkakaroon tayo ng vdv over dx times rho dx dz dy dx equals to
gigil ka dun sa flick mo,
minus p d, wait lang, ayan.
Ayop na yan, din.
So yung p may magta-times pa yan sa ano, sa dito rin, sa area. P d y dz minus dp over dx dx dy dz. So since mayroon tayong dx dy dz sa kabilaan, we will cancel out, it will cancel out, and then for the dx it will also cancel out, and then after that, wait, then after that These two will also cancel out. So we will be left with rho VdV is equals to negative dP. So that is Euler's dP is equals to negative rho VdV.
Ha? Sobrang dami pa
So
napatay.
from Euler's
Tangin na lang ako din kayo.
Euler's
Ayop.
equation we'll use that based from
Sa kada sa mga
the first law
top 10. Nakakainis ka cipher.
of thermodynamics in terms of enthalpy and yeah, so mula dyan U is equals to heat plus work, internal energy is equals to heat plus work. So if we integrate that, internal energy is equals to partial derivative of heat plus partial derivative of work. Our work here is work done by the system. So work done by the system is just negative V dP. Wait, hindi pala. So work done by the system is P dV. So V natin is specific volume yan. So 1 over rho yan. Value niya mamaya. So, and then for the du, makukuha natin yan from
Tangina mo, nagulang ako.
dH is equals to U plus P small b. So dH is equals to du plus i-derivative natin yung lahat dito. Parang magkakaroon tayo ng du. So du is equals to d specific volume plus specific volume dP.
Matakot ka, pero pag
So
nag-machine ka gano'n, wala akong
du is
case.
equals to dH minus P
Parang ano
dA minus V
enjoy
dP.
tour ng asteroids.
Excuse me. So after that, since meron na tayong dH, meron na tayong du, so ilalagay na natin dito. So pwede natin isolate yung Q is equals to yung work done natin is negative yan. So magkakaroon tayo ng, if negative to, pag lipat natin dito, magiging positive siya. So du plus P dV, lagay natin yung value ng U. So that would be dH minus PdV minus VdP. So specific partial derivative ng Q is equals to partial derivative or Q small is just in terms of may mass over mass yan. So dH, so mga plus PdV, so mga cancel yung PdV dito, later ay dH minus VdP. Okay, mula tayo dito. So mula dyan, since we'll assume na adiabatic yung ating equation, so change, so yung heat natin maging 0 lang yan, dH minus VdP. So isolate natin VdP, hindi pa natin, tapos integrate natin. Integrate natin 1 is to 2, 1 to 2. So we have H2 minus H1 is equals to negative 1 half V2 squared minus V1 squared, or power rule lang ng integral. So para mahanap natin yung H or enthalpy, so alam natin na
6, 7.
yung yung C is equals to specific volume, specific partial derivative ng heat over dP. This is called, ano nga ulit ito? Specific ratio. The specific ratio, ganyan. So heat is equals to C dt. So magkakaroon yan ng CV dt para sa constant volume. Level derivative ng Q naman para sa constant pressure. Since lang naman yung lead natin kanina is sa H, DH, mula dito, no? DH minus VDP, since constant pressure tayo, ma-zero to. So pagkatapos ng zero niya, CP, DT, lagay natin yung value dito, is equals to DH. So H is equals to CPT. So CPT2 minus CPT1 is equals to 1/2 V1 squared minus V2 squared. And if ni-rearrange natin, magkakaroon tayo ng plus V2 squared equals to 1/2 V1 squared plus CPT then. So, magkakaroon tayo ng ito ng ating energy equation. So, okay, meron na tayong energy equation. Mula sa energy equation, i-stagnant natin yung isang side since nga pag nasa stagnation point na, yung velocity ay magiging 0. So, copy natin ulit yung energy equation plus 1/2 V2 squared is equals to CPT1. Para the same nung sa module, lagay na lang natin dito CPT T naught 2 plus 1/2 V naught squared, since nga stagnation, velocity natin dito ay maging 0 or very negligible. So mga-cancel to. CPT2 is CPT2 plus 1/2 V2 squared is also CPT rho T naught 2. Then after that, i-over natin to sa CPT2, and then we'll have T naught 2 over T2 is equals to that would be 1/2 1 plus 1/2 V squared all over CPT2.
One side.
So, alam natin na CP is equals to KR over K minus 1. So, that would be, and KR T2 is equals to speed of sound squared. Diba? So, that would be T naught 2 over T2 is equals to 1 plus 1/2 V2 squared over KR over K minus 1 T2 karoon tayo ng 1 plus 1/2 yung ito magiging ano to A squared 2, ito naman papunta sa taas, diba? And V2 squared over A2 squared is equals to M2 squared. Tama? So, that would be 1/2 times K minus 1 times M2 squared. And since what we need here is excuse me, is stagnation pressure, so we will relate it using isentropical relationships. So P naught over P2 is equals to T naught over T2 raised to K over K minus 1. So P naught over T naught 2 over P2 is equals to 1 plus 1 half k minus 1 raised to times m squared 2 raised to k over k minus 1. Right? That's number 2. Times natin dyan yung p2 times 1 plus 1 half k minus 1 times m2 squared k over k minus 1. Ni-raise sa k over k minus 1. Since nga kanina sa isentropic relations. So that would give us so para ma-relate natin sa state nung before sa sa region ng stagnation. So para sa free stream, i-over natin ito lahat sa T1. So maging T not 2 over T1 is equals to T2
Nice.
over T1 1 plus 1 half k minus 1
TP ah.
m2 squared
Likod natin.
raised to k over k minus 1. Okay? So, since meron na tayong yan, ito yung gagamitin natin general na equation or general nating formula. So, hanapin natin dito ang ratio ng pressure na to and then yung m2 squared. So we will use in here momentum equation and yung yun, momentum equation. Gagamit tayo ng momentum equation. So sa isang normal na shockwave, will be state 2 and state 1. Isang normal na shockwaves dito nagkakaroon ng shockwave if diba sa boundary nito, ito yung magiging shockwave. M is greater than 1 here, kabila naman M is lesser than 1, so may changes palagi yan. M1 may changes in temperature, pressure, density, and velocity. Syempre since kami bumibilis. So, based sa normal shockwave, yung error on both sides is equal
Natakot lahat ang
to each other. So, if niano natin sa mass flow rate, rho AV 1 is equals to rho AV 2 A1 is equals to A2 lang dito. Diba? And sa dito, sa isang based sa second law na controlled yung volume niya, so yung total force dito is equals to flow rate times velocity na pa-out minus flow rate times velocity pa-in. So yung flow rate dito ng pa-out is equals yan sa state 1. Since papataas yung anong tawag dito? Pataas yung Mach, magiging more than 1 siya. So magiging rho 2 A2 P2 as flow rate. And in is baliktad niya lang. State 2 is rho 1 A P1. So since yung A to A1 is same lang. And then for the force natin, summation ng force dito, equate na yan, force 1 minus force 2. And force is equals to pressure times area. Since yung area nga natin, the same lang. So, force equals to P minus P2 times 8. Okay. So, pang substitute na natin, P1 minus P2 times A is equals to excuse me, is equals to rho 2A B2 times B2 minus rho A
Kang ina, napindot ka.
B1 1 times B1. So in B2 times A is equals to rho 2. Since may A dito sa both side, pwede natin yan ilabas. Ito ay magiging B2 squared minus rho 1 B1 squared. So A cancelled. Since both sides may A, pwede natin i-cancel yung A. So pag i-rearrange lang natin, magkakaroon lang tayo ng B1 plus rho 1 B1 squared equals to B2 plus rho 2 B2 squared. Ito na yung tawag na momentum equation. Since may momentum equation na tayo, dito tayo magsa-start ng derivation ulit para makuha natin mamaya yung mga Mach and pressure. So, from momentum equation, P2 plus rho 2 V2 squared is equals to P1 plus rho 1 V1 squared. So, pwede natin i-lipat, no? Lipat natin both sides. P2 minus P1 is equals to rho 1 V1 squared minus rho 2 V2 squared. Ganun. Pwede natin ma-isolate rin dito yung try natin i-isolate yung rho 1 V1 squared. So P2 minus P1 is equals to rho 1 V1 squared times 1 minus rho 2 V2 squared over rho 1 V1 squared. Ayun. And then after that is okay, after that ay wait lang, mag-start ulit tayo sa ano excuse me, sa momentum equation. Rho 1 V1 squared equals to P2 rho 2 P2 squared. Lahat pala i-over natin sa rho 1 V1 squared, rho 1 V1 squared, rho 1 V1 squared, rho 1 V1 squared. So ito maging P1 rho 1 V1 squared plus 1, diba? It's equals to B2 over rho 1 V1 squared plus rho 2 V2 squared over rho 1 V1 squared. Okay, mali pala ito. Excuse me. Okay, and then after that, no? Gagawin natin next is hanapin natin yung relation na to. So, P over rho 1 V1. Since P over rho natin is equals to RP, and V squared natin is equals to M squared KRT, magkakaroon tayo ng RT over M squared KRT, cancel ang RT, plus 1 ulit, b2 over rho 1 v1 squared plus rho 2 v2 squared over rho 1 v1 squared. Matitira dito is 1 over km. Mak natin dito is 1 squared. Tama? Tama. Is equals to 2 plus 1 is equals to v2 over rho 1 v1 squared plus rho 2 v2 squared over rho 1 v1 squared. So, next natin dito is i-ano muna natin. Ito muna. Parang pang expound pa natin, ano? So that would be p2 over rho 1 v1. So para in the same state sila, 2 tapos 1 dito times, parang pwede to equal lang to sa p2 over rho 2 v2 squared times rho 2 v2 squared over rho 1 v1 squared, diba? Kasi equals lang yan. Pagkatapos nyan, yung ito, the same relation ng kanina as this, makita nyo, so that is also 1 over k m2 squared times ito naman, pwede nating mula sa ano kanina, sa flow rate na equation, since equals yung area doon, so magkakaroon ng rho 2 v2 is equals to rho 1 v1, and then pwede natin gawin rho 1 over rho 2 is equals to v2 over v1. Excuse me. At pagkatapos nyan ay iba natin na yung ito, yung rho 2 over rho 1 v2 squared over v1 squared, magiging yung ito, kaya natin na-equate dito, so magiging v1 over v2 times v2 squared over v1. So cancel to, matitira na lang ito. So v2 over v1 is also equals to rho 1 over rho 2 times rho 1 over rho 2. So ito na yung maging identity ng v2 over rho 1 v1 squared natin. Then after that, tapos nyan ay i-copy na natin yung formula natin. 1 over km1 squared plus 1 is equals to p2 over rho 1, hindi na pala rho 1 v1. Mas nga, may identity na tayo para dyan, diba? That would be 1 over km squared 2 times rho 1 rho 2 plus, copy lang natin to, rho 2 v2 squared over rho 1 v1 squared. Okay? Then after that, yung rho 1 v1 squared, pwede ulit natin parang ganito lang rin, na yung rho 2 over rho 1 v2 squared v1 squared is also equals to v1 over v2 over v1 squared cancel yung ano nila. So v2 over v1 is also equals to rho 1 over rho 2, diba? So 1 over k m squared m1 squared plus 1 is equals to 1 over k m2 squared times rho 1 over rho 2 plus rho 1 over rho 2. So kita natin may dalawang rho 1 over rho 2, pwede natin yan isolate. So, i-isolate natin 1 over k and 1 squared plus 1 is equals to rho 1 over rho 2 times 1 over k and 2 squared plus 1. So, meron na tayong density ratio. So, rho 1 over rho 2 is equals to, ito, puntahin natin dito sa ilalim, magiging 1 over k m1 squared plus 1 over k m2 squared, 1 over k m2 squared plus 1. So, ito na yung density ratio natin. Gagamitin natin yan mamaya. Next, gagamit tayo ng excuse me. Gagamit tayo ng energy equation. So, gagamit natin ng energy equation, Cp T1 plus V1 1 half V1 squared is equal to Cp T2 plus 1 half V2 squared. So, since nga yung Cp is equals to Kr over K minus 1, that would be Kr T1 over K minus 1 plus 1 half V1 squared is equals to the same concept, Kr T2 over K minus 1 plus 1 half V2 squared. And after that, KRT is just A is equals to square root of KRT. So A squared is equals to KRT. So that would be speed of sound squared. A1 over K minus 1 plus 1 over 2 V1 squared is equals to A2 squared over K minus 1 plus 1 half rho V squared. So yung velocity is also equals yan sa excuse me Mach number times speed of sound. So kapag V squared maging Mach squared, A squared din yan. So A squared 1 is equals to K minus 1 plus 1 half. So that would be 1 half Mach 1 squared over A1 squared is equals to A2 squared over K minus 1 plus 1 half and 2 squared A2 squared. Okay, after that, pwede natin ma-isolate ng A2 at A1 para magkaparoon tayo ng ratio ng speed of sound. For that, we will have A1 times 1 over K minus 1 plus 1 half m on 2 equals to A2 squared times 1 over K minus 1 plus 1 half m2 squared. Record pa ba? Okay, nag-record. Okay, m2 squared. Then after that, meron na tayong ratio ng speed of sound. A2 is equals to, so lalagay lang natin dito 1 over K plus 1 plus 1 half 1 wait lang K minus 1 excuse me over 1 and 1 over K minus 1 plus 1 half and 1 squared. Yun. And yung mga ito, yung 1 half K minus 1 plus 1 half m squared, pwede rin yan magiging K minus 1 plus 1 half So, pwede yan magiging okay if we isolate it. Ito. Okay, ito times natin sa k minus 1. Siya. So, parang if i-times natin dito both sides to k minus 1, magkaroon siya ng 1 plus k minus 1 m squared over 2. So, so pag times natin to both sides by k minus 1, k minus 1, k minus squared over a2 squared is equals to 1 plus k minus 1 over 2 and 2 squared over 1 plus k minus 1 over squared and 1 squared. Okay. Yan na ang ating excuse me, speed of sound na ano. And then, if i-relate natin yung ito, so ginawa natin kanina, density, para ma-relate natin, yun ang ano, density 1 over density 2 is equals to V2 over V1. Is also, V2 over V1 is also equals to M2 A2 over M. M1 A1. So, kapag ni-squared na natin, no? Is equals to M2 squared A2 over 2 sa M1 squared A1 squared. Yun. And since nga may value tayo ng A2 over A1 squared, ito. No? Tama? Rho 1 squared over rho 2 squared is equals to M2 squared. Okay, okay, ibaliktad natin since nga A2 yung sa taas. Dapat ito ay yung ating taas. So, squared times squared, magkakaroon siya ng 1 plus k minus 1 over 2 and 1 squared over 1 plus k minus 1 over 2 squared. Diba? Then after that, we will have after that, yung density nito is pwede pa natin equate na. I-equate na natin density ratio natin. Yung density ratio natin, meron tayo 1 over k and 1 squared plus 1 over 1 over k and 2 squared plus 1. Yung 1, it's also equals to k and 1 squared over k and 1 squared or 2 if nasa ilalim. So, parang ano lang to, rho 1 over rho 2 is equals to if i-isolate natin itong ito, no? So, karoon siya ng 1 dito, 1 over k and 1 squared times 1. Since nga yung ito, value na rin naman ay ito, so magkakaroon siya ng minus 1 ay ito lang, ito na lang yung sa taas na 1 plus k and 1 squared. So, the same lang rin na concept sa ilalim. Okay. And after that, equate na natin dito. Or yan. So, number 5, page 5. So, i-equate natin yung density dito. So, magkakaroon tayo ng 1 over k m1 squared times 1 plus k m1 squared over 1 over k m2 squared times 1 plus k m2 squared is equals to mach 2 squared over mach 1 squared times times 1 plus k minus 1 over 2 m1 squared over 1 plus k minus 1 over 2 m2 squared. Diba? Then after that, i-try natin palabas yung mach para natin papalabas yan. So, okay. Kaya man pala papalabas. I-equate lang pala talaga. So, para ma-equate natin yung mach 2, patataas yan. Ito na nagbababa ito. So, 1 plus k m plus squared over 1 plus k mach 2 squared times ito, pataas ito. Ito na nagbababa ito. So, yung k m 2 squared over k m 1 squared. Ayan. Para mapakansel. Over m. Wait, parang may mali ako. So, sa 4, 5, dito, since nga squared pala dito, dapat naka-square root rin itong lahat natin na equation sa density ratio. So, squared to, squared to, squared to, squared to. So, ito, squared yan, squared yan. Then, after that, times 1 plus k minus 1. Copy lang natin yung sa taas rin. So, lang naman tayong binago dyan. Over 2 and 2 squared. So, makakancel yun. Ito, makakancel ito. If i-times natin yung if nag-times tayo dito ng m1 squared, dito naman m2 squared, dito naman m1 squared, m2 squared. So yun, makakancel din. So matitira na lang 1 plus k m1 squared times k m2 squared over plus k m2 squared times k m1 squared is equals to 1 plus k minus 1 over 2 times m2 squared over 1 plus k minus 1 over 2 m2 squared. Wait, m1 pala. m1 squared. Ayan, and then cross multiply natin. So, kakaroon tayo ng 1 plus k m1 squared times k m2 squared times ito, kung ito, multiply natin 1 plus k minus 1 over 2 m squared 2 is equals to, ito multiply rin natin 1 plus k m squared 2 times k m1 squared times 1 plus k minus 1 over 2 m2 squared. Ayan. Tapos yung ito, para ma-distribute natin yung set kasi lagay tayo ng mas lagay tayo parang store value natin. Yung sa A ay yung m1 squared, sa B lagay natin m2 squared, C naman yung ito k minus 1 over 2. So after nyan, yung new equation natin magkaroon ng 1 plus k a times km squared. Wait lang. Yung km squared ko ba ito? Hindi. Hindi na pala ito km squared kasi magkakancel ito. Hindi yan km squared. squared na naman. M2 squared nito is B. Is 1 plus C B is equals to A plus 1 plus K B times 1 plus C A. Yun. Left side muna. Magiging ano yan? B plus KAB plus CB squared plus KCAB squared. And then for the right side, yung distribute ko lang. Ayan. Distribution foil method ko. Tama. Foil muna. Tapos times mo na lang yung B. Dito. Same lang rin. Foil mo. Foil concept. First term. Tapos foil nga. First term, outer term, inner term, and last. Right side natin, magkakaroon tayo ng A plus K, AB plus C, A squared plus K, C, A squared B. So, tapos, yun na yung mga bagong na natin. Sa left side, copy lang din natin ulit. K, A, B plus C, B squared plus K, C, A, B squared plus A plus wait, move na lang natin sa left side. Lahat to negative. Minus A, minus K, A, B, C, A squared minus K, C, A squared B is equals to 0. So makikita natin, pwede na tayo mag-cancel dito. Yung iba, parang hindi. B minus A plus yung C natin, pwede natin ipagsama. B squared minus A squared plus yung K, C, pwede na natin K, C, A, B. So yung ito, since nga yung magiging ano niya dito is may B squared, tama ba? Magiging times A minus B. So B squared or B squared plus B squared. Ayun, tama. So lagay natin B times A dito. Since nga B minus A, tama. Since kapag A times natin to, yung ano natin is magiging ganito. Next, we will kita natin may B minus A each term naman. Pwede na isolate B minus A. Tapos times natin 1 plus C times A plus B. Ay, hindi. Ay, yung wait lang. Ay, hindi. Yung dito pala, this is only kapag yan, pag nilabas natin, ito na lang matitira, B minus A since negative dito. Dito naman, ganito natin since nga para magkakaroon siya ng B squared minus A squared. Hindi ako sa foil ko. So, parang dito na B squared minus B squared minus A, B minus A, parang B squared minus A squared. Yun! Tama. So, since may B minus A yung ano natin, ito yung lalagay natin dito. B plus A or A plus B. Same concept lang naman. Tapos, plus K, C, A, B is equals 0. And then, after that, pwede natin ibalik sa ating original. So, ito yung mga values niyan. So, B is M2 squared minus M1 squared times 1 plus K minus 1 over 2 times M1 squared plus M2 squared plus K k is ck minus 1 over 2 m1 squared m2 squared equals to 0. Ayan. So, try natin mag-multiply negative 1 each. Multiply muna natin dito. Divided by negative 1. Dito muna m1 squared minus m2 squared. Ayan. Tapos yung ito, if ginawa na natin, wait lang, if mas pinactor pa natin, yung nakalabasan nito is nagiging ano yung kakalabasan nito? Okay, so pag pinactor out na yan natin, ang kakalabasan niyan ay
Baka lang kapuli. Ito pala yung mga ganang tao.
okay, so ano oras na siya? Ralph, ano oras na, Ralph?
4:45.
Okay. Kaya pa to. Okay, so pag okay, excuse me. Okay, sorry, excuse me. So pag pinactor out natin yan pa, yung m1 squared minus m2 squared times 2k m1 squared tapos m2 squared minus k m1 squared plus m1 squared minus k m2 squared plus m2 squared minus 2 equals 0. Ayun, ito pala, ito times na rin natin ito ng, di ba nag-times tayo negative 1 kanina, times rin tayo dito ulit ng negative, hindi, magta-times tayo ng 2 para makancel yung mga ito, di ba? Kaya yun, cancel yung mga k minus 1. Na-cancel yung ating mga 2. Cancel yung mga 2 natin. Kaya yung 2 na to, yung negative kasi nag-times tayo ng 2 tapos nag-times pa tayo ng negative 1. So, mula dyan, next step tayo. So, next step nyan is equals to 2k m1 squared. Wait. Copy muna natin. So that is m1 squared minus m2 squared minus m1 squared minus m2 squared times 2k m1 squared m2 squared minus k m1 squared plus m1 squared k m1 squared plus m1 squared minus minus k m2 squared plus m2 squared minus 2 is equal to 0. Over natin lahat to into m1 squared minus m2 squared m1 squared minus m2 squared. Pag-answer mo naman yan, tira na lang natin is m is 2 into k m1 squared m2 squared minus k m1 squared plus m1 squared minus k m2 squared plus m2 squared minus 2 is equals to 0. And then
One side, isa pa. One side.
i-isolate natin, no? Lahat na M2 at rin na M1. So ito may M2 to, ito may M2 to, ito may M2. So M2 squared. I-isolate natin itong M2 para makahanap natin mamaya yung value ng na M2 dito. M2 squared. Yan nalagay natin mamaya na value. M2 squared is equals to wait lang. M2 squared times 2k m1 squared. Tama ba? 2k m1 squared plus 2 minus 2k tapos mag plus 1 yun is equals to k, lahat na 1 dito minus m wait naging positive naging negative kasi nilipat natin m1 squared plus 2 okay. Kita na natin yung m2 squared. So m2 squared is equals to m2 squared. Pwede natin ma-isolate rin ito, yung m1 squared na to. M1 squared times k minus 1 plus 2 over 2k m1 squared minus k plus 1. Okay. Okay, yung negative ano naman natin. 0 minus k plus 1. So pag nilabas natin yung negative, para maging positive ulit yung 1, yung negative 1 natin dito. Yun. And yung m2 squared na, ay yung ito na formula is also equals rin yan lang sa m2 squared is equals to kapag ni-ano natin tawag siya ni okay. Yung ito na formula and ito, same lang yan if ni ano natin, if ni times sa 1/2 like times ka dito 1/2 times ka dito 1/2, so magkakaroon yan ng yung 2 maging 1 na lang yan plus k minus 1 over 2 m1 squared over k m1 2 minus k minus 1 over 2. Then yan yung formula. And then after that, mula kanina sa density ratio natin, density ratio natin 1 plot 2 plus 1 over k m1 squared plus 1 over 1 over k m2 squared plus 1. Yung sa taas ng k m1 squared, parang yung 1 na to, ano lang yan, k m1 squared over k m1 squared. So, pwede natin yan ma-rearrange into sasabihin natin ano, wait, kind of kabila na lang, mas mahirap to divide. Okay, so yung ito 1 over k m2 squared plus 1 is also equals lang yan sa 1 over k times 1 over m2 squared plus 1, di ba? So, it's also equals to 1 over k. Yung m squared natin, may value na tayo ng m squared, di ba? Ito or ito. Kahit saan lang yan. Same lang yan ang value niya. So, yung gamitin na lang natin dito is yung ito. Para mas ano. So, since sa ilalim yung m2 squared, so dapat baliktad yung ito yung sa taas. Times k m12 squared minus k minus 1 over 2 over 1 plus k minus 1. Tapos, ito naman is m1 squared plus 1. Yung plus 1 na yan, parang ano lang yan. Yung ito times na rin natin dito. So, yung plus 1 na lang, yan. Parang 1 is equals to k times 1 plus, kasi ni-times natin yung k dito sa ilalim. So, k times 1 plus k minus 1 over 2 m1 squared over k times 1 plus k minus 1 over 2 times m1 squared. Then, so is equals to, karoon na tayo ng k m1 squared minus k minus 1 over 2. Mag-plus tayo ng plus natin to, tapos sabay na rin sabay na rin distribute natin yung k na to sa taas. So yung sa taas naman, mag-plus tayo ng k plus k times k minus 1 over 2 times m1 squared over, ito copy lang, k times 1 plus k minus 1 over 2 times m1 squared. And then yun, lagay na natin ulit. So rho 1 over rho 2 equals to 1 over k m1 squared plus 1 over yung ito na yung value niya, k m excuse me, k plus m, okay, k plus m, k plus m, yung k, ito na yung k na yun, yung m1 squared ay m1 squared k times 1, yung ito, tsaka ito, pwede natin i-times yan sa 1 minus at sa ito 1 minus 1 plus ito pala, plus pala ito, k minus 1 over 2 minus ito, k minus 1 over 2. Yan. Then over natin lahat yan sa k 1 plus excuse me, k 1 plus ito copy lang, after that baliktad natin since since parang fraction over fraction, pwede yan missing, dapat ibabaliktad yan. So wait, okay, yung sa taas i-change sa taas, change ko na rin siguro into yung 1 kasi parang ano na yun, k m1 over 2 k m1 is equals to 1. So pag ni-times mo yan, magiging 1 plus k m1. Yan. Kasi na silang k m1, so that would be 1 to plus k km1. Tama. km1 squared over km1 squared. Puputol na yung k ko. Times yan sa reciprocal nito. K times 1 plus k minus 1 over 2 m1 squared over k plus m1 squared k m1 squared k times 1 plus k minus 1 over 2 minus k minus 1 over 2. Effort pa naman. Okay. Okay, after that is equals yan sa 1 plus k and 1 squared over k and 1 squared ulit times 1 plus k minus 1 over 2 m squared, copy lang. Then yung sa ilalim isolate. Okay, pwede natin makancel nito. Okay, muna lang natitira. Tapos m1k plus m1 squared k, copy lang ron number 2. Yung 1 plus k minus 1 over 2, parang ano yan, 2 over 2. So 1 plus k minus 1 over 2. So magiging k plus 1 over 2 yan. And then ito naman, copy mo lang. Then after that, yung density natin rho 1 over rho 2 is equals to pag ito times natin 1 plus k m1 squared times 1 plus k minus 1 over 2 m1 squared over m1 squared times k plus m1 squared k times k plus 1 over 2 times k is k minus 1 over 2. And then page 6 and page 7 na tayo. After that, i-continue ko na lang dito. So that would be 1 plus k m1 squared, copy lang, times 1 plus k minus 1 over 2 m1 squared. Kasi sa ilalim dito magkakaroon tayo ng i-distribute natin yan. So k m1 squared plus m1 for m1 for k minus 1 k plus 1 na 2 minus k minus 1 over 2. And after that, copy lang ulit. Pagkatapos ng copy mo is isolate natin yung m1 squared. Yung m1 squared dito. Isolate natin yung m1 squared times k minus 1 over 2 plus yung 4 naman, iba naman sa yun. m1 4 k times k plus 1 over 2. Yan. Is equals to 1 plus k m squared. Copy lang ulit. So paano nga ba naging ganito? Since nga k minus 1 over 2 parang equals lang ganyan sa 2k over 2 minus k minus 1. So that would be k plus k minus 1 since yung 1 naging since yung 1 naging positive. Sure. Over 2. Yan. Tapos yan plus excuse me. And after that, we'll have 1 plus k and 1 squared minus 1 plus k minus 1 over 2 and squared over and 1 squared k plus 1 over 2 plus and 1 for k plus k minus 1 k plus 1 over 2. Okay. And after that, pwede natin masi-isolate yung buong ito. Try natin isolate ng kasi same na lang din naman. Times mo yun sa 1 plus 3 and 2. Parang 4. Diba? Cancel. So yung value ng row 1 over row 2 mo is equals to excuse me. Row 1 over row 2 mo is equals to 2 sa 2 para maka-cancel. Row 1 over row 2 plus k minus 1 and squared k. Okay, i-distribute na lang natin para maka-cancel din dito, diba? Cancel din. K plus m1 squared. That's the ratio natin. Okay, next natin is simula ulit tayo sa momentum equation. P1 plus rho 1 V1 is equals to P2 plus rho 2 V2. No? So after nyan is yung lahat nyan i-over natin sa P1 over P1. So magkakaroon tayo ng P2 over P1. Huwag nilipat natin to since value nito 1. Yung negative 1 is equals to ito sa side na to over P1 minus rho 2 V2 over P1. So kapag ni over natin to yung dito na side sa rho 1 V1 P1 tayong P2 over P1 is 1 is equals to rho 1 V1 squared pala to squared to let na B squared over P1 squared P1 squared and times natin yan so 1 minus yung ito kasi rho 2 V2 squared over P1 parang mag-times lang yan ng P1 over P1 over rho 1 V1 squared. So yung P1 mo cancel, so meron ka ng ratio ng rho 2 over rho 1 at rho 2 over rho 1. So hindi pa pala rho 2 over rho 1 matitira na lang V2 squared over V1 squared. Yung V2 squared over V1 squared equals lang din yan sa rho 1 squared over rho 2 squared. Cancel to. titira ka na lang ng rho 1 over rho 2 T1. Excuse me. Is equals to yung ito ay pwede natin yan magiging equation dyan is since nga rho over P P is equals to rho RT, so kapag P over rho is equals to RT, ito yung magiging sa ilalim yung RT, diba? So magkakaroon tayo ng 1 over RT, tapos yung V1 squared natin ay magiging ano yan, mach KRT squared, diba? So RT, makakancel yan, so natitira dito is excuse me, is mach 1 kasi yan, mach K, mach 1K, mach 1 squared K times yung ito, yung buong ito, di ba? 1 minus buong ito. So meron tayong P, pag lipat natin yung 1 dito, magkakaroon tayo ng equals to 1 plus M1 squared K tama? Times yung 1 na to, ano lang naman to, yung ito, over M12 K plus M12 M1 squared over ganun lang para maging 1 M12 K plus M1 squared minus 2 minus 2 plus K minus 1 sa M1 squared over yan na sa M1 squared K plus M12. So pwede dito makancel ang wait, 1 plus M1 squared K, magkakaroon tayo ng M1 squared K plus M1 squared minus 2 minus M. Yan, ini-distribute ko yung ano, M1 2K minus M plus na pala ito, plus M1 2 dahil sa plus siya dahil negative, plus negative, positive na yan, 2K plus M1 2, so cancel ito, cancel rin ito, is equals to 1 plus M1 2K times natitira na lang is 2 M1 squared, tama ba? 2 M1 squared dalawa minus 2 over M1 2K plus M1 squared. After that, ano yung time ganyan? Number 8 to. So, katapos yan. Ano oras na, Ralph?
5:10.
Okay. Meron tayong ganyan. So, 1 plus pwede natin cancel dito yung M1 diba? Yung K, distribute na rin natin dito, diba? So, magkakaroon tayo na 1 plus, wait lang, 1 plus K times 2 M1 squared minus 2 over K minus K plus 1. K plus 1 na lang natitira dito. Is equals to yung 1 na yan is K plus 1 over K plus 1 na yan, so K plus 1 plus ito, distribute natin yung K excuse me, 2 K 2k m1 squared minus 2k over k plus 1. So, yan na yung pressure over P2 natin. Tama? Since mula tayo dito, yung P2 over P1. Yan. Dyan, punta dyan. Hanggang yun, pailalim na. Then after that, mabalik na tayo sa original na formula natin, which is yung ito. Yung original formula natin, P not 2 over P1 is equals to P2 over P1 times 1 plus 1 half K minus 1 times M squared, M2 squared raised to K over K plus 1. Okay? So yung yan equals lang yan sa K equals yan sa ito, may makakancel ba dito? Ito, 2K, makakancel. Tama, makakancel pa pala yung 2K. Diyan, makakancel pa yung 2K. So, yung formula pala dito is magiging P2 over P1 is equals to 2K M1 squared minus K plus 1 over K plus 1. Tama? Yan. Yan yung formula. So, yung 2K M1 squared minus 2K plus 1 plus 1 over K plus 1. So, huwag na natin galawin yan. Yung branch pressure ratio. Yung dito na lang tayo magsasolve. 1 plus 1 half minus K minus 1. Yung value ng M2 squared natin is ito. So, value ng M2 squared natin is M1 squared minus K minus 1 plus 2 over 2K M1 squared minus K minus 1. All, lahat palagi raised to K over K minus 1. So, yung ito, magiging 1 plus distribute natin. Yung K minus 1 is i-distribute rin. No? Yung 2 times natin dito sa ilalim. So, yung K minus 1 times rin natin sa taas. So, magiging ano yan? Magiging 2K minus 2 plus ito, M1 squared times K minus 1 yan, squared. Ano ba? Kasi dalawang K minus 1 over 4K M1 squared minus 2K minus 1 and then palagi pa rin raised to K over K minus 1. Yung 1 na to is equals lang sa dito over dito rin. 4K M1 squared minus 2K minus 1 plus 2K plus 2K minus 2 plus excuse me, M1 squared M1 squared K minus 1 squared. Yan. Over 4K M1 squared minus 2K minus 1 all raised to K over K minus 1. And then dito magkakaroon na tayo ng saan tayo pwede mag-cancel yung 2K yung ito kasi magiging ano to negative 2K plus positive 2 so makakancel din 2K plus positive 2 so matitira na lang is 4K M1 M1K wait tama ba? Okay, M1 1 over 4k m1 squared minus 2k minus 1 k over k minus 1. Record pa. Ayun, record. Please stay on record. Stay on record. Okay. Okay, yan na siya. So, distribute natin lang yung ito. Yung 4k m1 squared. Plus m1 squared k squared minus 2k m1 squared plus m1 squared over 4k m1 squared minus 2 times k minus 1 base parenthesis k over k minus 1, and then yung 4k m1 magiging 2 na lang, so 2 na lang po, ito mawala rin. M1k matitira pa rin, and then yung M1, so yun, if na-isolate natin yung M1 squared times na lang ito sa ito, times mo lang na lang sa k squared plus 2k plus 1 over 4k m1 squared minus 2k minus 1, naka-raise pa rin sa k over k minus 1, and then yung ito k squared plus 2k plus 1 is also equals to k is perfect root, so k plus 1 squared, so m 1 squared times k plus 1 squared over 4k m1 squared minus 2 times k minus 1 equals to k over k minus 1. So ito, pababahin mo lang to, karoon ka na ng 2k m1 squared plus k plus 1 over k plus 1, and this is na, ito na yung ating Rayleigh's equation. Tama. Ito na yung magiging Rayleigh's equation.